In today's video, I'm going to show you how to improve your microphone sound quality in OBS Studio so your voice sounds clean, professional, and consistent without buying an expensive microphone. Whether you're streaming, recording YouTube videos, or making tutorials, these OBS audio filters can massively upgrade your sound in just a few minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio and look at the audio mixer section at the bottom of your screen. Find your mic or mic aux source. This is the microphone OBS is currently using. Right-click on mic aux and select Filters. This is where all the magic happens. We're going to add a few filters in a specific order to get the best results. The first filter you want to add is Noise Suppression. Click the plus icon, choose Noise Suppression, and click OK. For the method, select rnnoise. This option uses AI-based processing to remove background noise, like fans, keyboard clicks, and room hum, without destroying your voice quality. rnnoise works great for most people, especially if you're recording at home. Once selected, you can leave the default settings and move on. Next, add a noise gate. Click the plus icon again, choose Noise Gate, and click OK. The noise gate stops your microphone from picking up sound when you're not speaking. This helps eliminate breathing noise, chair movement, and background sounds during silent moments. Set the close threshold slightly lower than your normal speaking volume, and the open threshold just below it. Speak into your mic while adjusting until your voice activates the mic smoothly and silence stays silent. After that, add a compressor. This filter is extremely important because it balances your volume. Click the plus icon, select Compressor, and click OK. The compressor makes quiet parts louder and loud parts quieter, so you don't clip when you shout or disappear when you speak softly. Start with a ratio around 4:1. Set the threshold so it activates when you speak normally, and enable makeup gain to bring your overall volume back up. Test by talking loudly and softly to hear the difference. Now we're going to add a limiter. Click the plus icon, choose Limiter, and click OK. Set the limiter to -3 decibels. This ensures your audio never goes above a safe level and prevents distortion or clipping, even if you laugh or raise your voice suddenly. The limiter is like a safety net for your audio, and it's highly recommended for all recordings and streams. Optionally, you can add an equalizer to fine-tune your voice. If you want extra clarity, boost the high frequency slightly. If you want a deeper radio-style voice, add a small boost to the low frequencies. Keep changes subtle because too much EQ can make your voice sound unnatural. A simple 3-band EQ is more than enough for most creators. Once all your filters are added in this order, close the Filters window and do a short test recording. Listen back using headphones and make small adjustments if needed. These settings will dramatically improve your mic quality in OBS without spending any money. And that's it. You've successfully upgraded your microphone audio in OBS Studio. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more OBS and content creation tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.